Today, thousands of innovators, impact investors, brands, and NGOs are working to achieve the UN Sustainable Development Goals by 2030. But we need to go faster. And now we can, with SustainChain, the world's first Sustainable Development Goals accelerator. Powered by a partnership between the U.S. Coalition on Sustainability and Thoughtworks, SustainChain is a platform that uses the best of digital technology and machine learning to unite the players, actions, and funding needed to rapidly rebuild supply chains and meet the SDGs. Here's how. After setting up your profile and sharing the sustainability challenges you're most focused on, SustainChain becomes an engine for fueling faster, more concerted action and enabling new connections and partnership opportunities. Each time you come back to SustainChain, you'll see a live and dynamic feed of opportunities to explore, relevant projects to join, discover new partners, and find new solutions to explore. You can learn more about members and companies within and across industries who share your SDG focus. You can also create and share a new action initiative to tackle an unaddressed gap and tap into the community to find what you need to succeed. Funding, innovations, experts, all with a touch of a finger. SustainChain dynamically notifies you of new connection requests, projects, and opportunities to join. The chain is expanding rapidly with new partners across industries, stakeholders, and SDGs, all contributing to the collective intelligence that grows exponentially as the community does. And now we as citizens can join the chain too. With SustainChain, citizens can connect directly with their favorite brands and encourage them to take action on the issues that matter most to them, and urge their local representatives in Congress to do the same. As our community grows, so will our ability to accelerate action and progress toward the Sustainable Development Goals. It's time to join the chain to build a sustainable future together.